Today is Saturday, August 23rd. This is a 1976 Cadillac Eldorado front left-hand driver's side power door lock actuating activator. So this solenoid has been completely disassembled. The catalytic igniter has been replaced. The plunger has also been replaced internally. And I'm going to go ahead and do a functional validation test. Extension, contraction, extension, contraction, extension, contraction. Very powerful snap. This is for my friend Gal in Houston, Texas, and this will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, August 23rd. Thank you very kindly.